I followed the SEKHEM energy call and went to Delft in the Netherlands to Michael and Carolina. It was the most profound experience I ever had. The first day, the issue around my spine came up. My spine is bent, not straight. So all these lifetimes where I didn't stand to the truth, where I disowned my divinity, where I bent down, these lifetimes came to heal, and all this shadow energy left. An enormous amount of energy came in to clear this out. I was shaking, my whole body was shaking, the arms were moving, energy came out of my arms, and tones came out of me. After a while, maybe 15 minutes, it became more peaceful, and I could release all this stuff, and my vertebrae cracked, and I feel so much more freedom now in my spine. It's so much more lighter. We also worked on inner child issues, healed a lot of stuff, and the second day we utilized our breath, and energy came in again into my body and cleared out my chakras, starting from the root chakra, and then sacral chakra went up through the crown chakra, and after this, grace came in, divinity came in, source light came into my crown, angel sounds came in. I was toning, my body was shaking, and it felt like total bliss. So these 2 days were so profound. I'm with Theta Healing. It feels like 10 sessions at once, what you can experience here. The only prerequisite would be to being able to surrender to the energy. So if you want to heal fast, this workshop is for you. Do it and go to the Netherlands, to Delft, to Michael. You will not forget it. Thank you.